Another actual problem, stop the video and ask yourself, what are you trying to find? So we're trying to find what is the least possible value of k. So that tells me there's going to be a bunch of values of k, but we want the smallest one. First thing I want to do, let's write this in scientific notation because we're dealing with a little bitty number, a form of scientific notation. The first one would be 25 times 10 to the negative 4. The next one would be 25 times 10 to the negative 3. And the last one would be 25 times 10 to the negative 5. And that's times 10 to the k. So what we have here is 25 to the third times 10 to the, add your exponents because you're multiplying. Negative 7 minus 5 is a negative 12 times 10 to the k. Now, if you look at this piece here, that's going to be a little bitty number. That's going to be 0.000 whatever. I'm not sure what 25 to the third is, and it doesn't matter. But what I want k to be is an integer. And an integer can't be 0.00 anything. It's got to be a whole number. So this 10 to the negative 12 is what's going to move that decimal to the left to create all those zeros in front of it. We got to get rid of that. So how do I get rid of 10 to the negative 12? If I let k be 12. Then you have 25 cubed times, if k is 12, what is 10 to the negative 12 times 10 to the 12th? When you multiply like bases, you add your exponents, and that gives you 10 to the 0. And we've learned in one of our videos that 10 to the 0 is 1. So I want k to be 12. 13 would work, but we want the smallest value of k, and the answer is 12.